Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to download PHP on my PC. So without any delay, let's jump into this video. Here in the Chrome browser, you have to search for PHP, and after searching, pressing enter, you find the first website PHP Hypertext Processor, that is www.php.net. So on clicking on it, this is the official website. So we have to go to the download section, whether clicking on the right side or clicking on the top. You will go to the download section. Here you have to come to the window downloads. I am mistaken. Window downloads. Here you have found true version, non-thread safe version and thread safe version. So always go with the thread safe version because it is secure. Here in the download section, it is still being downloaded, and then there have been a show in folder. Clicking on it, and you have to extract this PHP in this folder. Here extract this file and click OK. After clicking OK, this file has been extracted. Here is the file. As you can see, the too many application. Let's rename it because its name actually is too complicated to pronounce. So I have written PHP 8. Here we have to copy this in the C directory. You can paste it here in the main directory, but I do not recommend. Just you have to paste in the program files. It will you have to allow the permission and it get pasted on this directory. So in this we have this folder. Just copy this path because we are going to add this in the environment variable. So write edit this system environment or environment variables. Here you find this option. Here there have been a pop-out menu. In this advanced, go to the environment variables. So on clicking on it, you find two things: user variable and system variable. We always go with the system variable. Click the path and edit. So in this you find this pop-out menu and click on the new section. Just paste the path that you have selected and click OK thrice, and PHP has been installed. Let's check it that whether it is working or not. So in this you have to write PHP -v or #v. As you can see, this has been downloaded. So let's test it whether it is working or not actually. So in this I have opened my XAMPP server, Apache and MySQL. In this directory, C directory, you can find the XAMPP folder. In this h3 docs, and in this we have to create a folder in which we are going to store my PHP file. So I have created YouTube, and let's open with the live server or the code editor that you have present, and just we have to type index.html. Here in this the basic syntax with the Zen coding, and then we have to write the basic syntax of PHP, that is hyphen, but I have mistaken because it is not .html, it is .php. So after saving it, you find hash arrow PHP, then question mark, then hash. After this, write the basic syntax echo, that is the basic command to write the dummy paragraph on the web page. So I have written I love my nation India. So after saving it, we have to minimize it, and let's open our Chrome browser because XAMPP will support our PHP. So localhost, we have to write localhost. In this we have YouTube folder, and just write YouTube. In this we have index.php as I shown you, and here is the result that I have written I love my nation India. So we are going to test it whether it is actually working or not. So I am writing the another dummy paragraph. So my name is Vishal, that is Vishal. So after saving it, as you can see the preview, it has all been recorded, but there have been a mismatch on the words. So we have to break this by using the br tag in the HTML. After saving it, as you can see, these two lines are separated by the br tag, and our PHP code is successful. So now PHP has been successfully installed, and thanks for watching. If you have been till the end, please like and subscribe this video.